What's up guys, Lazy Money UK here. I test out various money making apps and sites and report the results here. If that's your thing, then be sure to subscribe. Lately, I've been using PlayTime Rewards to earn passively on an old Android phone. PlayTime Rewards isn't a standalone app,
Not that one!
but rather an integrated earning feature on various rewards platforms. It's similar to the app CashMagnet, except that it works properly. The idea is that you get paid to run game apps on your phone. You don't have to play the games, but just display them on screen. Here I'm using it to earn extra Bitcoin on Cointiply. For those who are new to PlayTime Rewards, I recommend doing two things that will optimize your experience. The first is turning your screen brightness down to save power, but I'm going to leave it up for the video. The second is deactivating sleep mode. Android phones don't let you turn it completely off unless you use a cheat code. In the About Phone part of the system menu, repeatedly tap on build number to unlock the developer menu. Now you can set your device to always stay awake, provided that it's being charged. I'm going to try out PlayTime Rewards on Swagbucks. It's located in the Discover section of the app. The first time you visit, you will need to grant it permission to track your app usage. After that, you'll be ready to install the game. Once the game has been opened through PlayTime, you can set your phone down and start earning passively. Just make sure the screen stays on, or you'll have to reset it. Those passive pennies are now rolling in. The more you run a certain game, the longer the payout interval gets. If the payouts become too infrequent for your liking, simply move on to a new game. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. Click on subscribe so I can send you more lazy money making tips.